What if I told you that in 2025, the key to building wealth and living your dream lifestyle isn't just about hard work, it's about working smart with AI? AI tools are revolutionizing how we save and make money, leveling the playing field for anyone willing to learn. Stick around because I'll show you the top ways these tools can transform your financial future. And trust me, you'll want to hear about point number 7. It's a game changer you've probably never considered. Let's dive into the first way AI can boost your bank account. Gone are the days of manual spreadsheets. Apps like Mint and YNAB now integrate AI to analyze your spending patterns, predict future expenses, and even suggest where you can cut costs. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Imagine saving hundreds each month just by tweaking a few habits. These tools not only help you save money but also provide insights into your financial health, empowering you to make smarter decisions. Quick question. Do you know how much you spent on coffee last month? If not, these apps do, and they're ready to spill the beans. Now imagine redirecting that coffee budget to something more impactful, like an investment or a new skill. Speaking of cutting costs, let's talk about how AI can help you keep more of your hard-earned cash. Ever feel ripped off after buying something only to see it cheaper elsewhere? AI-powered tools like Honey and Capital One Shopping automatically scour the web for discounts, coupons, and better deals. They apply savings at checkout without you lifting a finger. Imagine the thrill of saving $50 on a gadget you already plan to buy. And it doesn't stop at gadgets. These tools can help you save on everything from groceries to travel bookings. Did you know some AI tools even track price drops after your purchase and help you claim refunds? It's like having a personal shopper and negotiator rolled into one. But wait, what if AI could also help you make money while you sleep? That's next. AI trading bots like Betterment and Wealthfront are revolutionizing investing. These platforms analyze market trends in real time and optimize your portfolio for maximum returns. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz. The bots handle everything. Imagine setting up a portfolio and watching it grow without constant monitoring. While results vary, the potential to grow your wealth passively is huge. For those new to investing, these platforms often come with educational resources to help you understand the basics while your money works for you. It's the perfect mix of learning and earning. But what if you prefer to earn money through something more hands-on? Let's move to a hustle that's perfect for creatives. Creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or blogs can be incredibly lucrative. AI tools like Jasper and Canva simplify the process, helping you generate ideas, write scripts, or design thumbnails in minutes. Your content stands out, and you save hours, time you can use to monetize your channel or blog. Think about this. AI can analyze trending topics and keywords to ensure your content reaches the right audience. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy even provide real-time insights on how to optimize your videos for maximum engagement and monetization. Not a creative genius? Don't worry. With AI, you only need consistency, not perfection. And if content creation isn't your style, the next point might be perfect for you. Freelance platforms now integrate AI to match you with the best gigs based on your skills. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, or even coding, AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney can amplify your output and quality. This means more clients, higher rates, and less burnout. Imagine landing high-paying gigs while AI tools handle repetitive tasks, leaving you to focus on creativity and strategy. Freelancing isn't just about trading time for money anymore, it's about leveraging technology to maximize efficiency. Think freelancing is too competitive? Remember, AI doesn't replace you, it supercharges you. From freelancing to investing in your future, here's how AI is shaking up traditional education. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy now use AI to personalize learning paths, helping you upskill faster. Want to learn stock trading, digital marketing, or coding? These platforms suggest the most relevant courses and track your progress, ensuring you stay on track. The ROI on these skills can be immense when applied strategically. Imagine being guided step by step to mastery in a field that pays 6 figures. These platforms also use AI to adapt lessons based on your strengths and weaknesses, making the learning experience more efficient and engaging. And now, let's explore how AI can help you capitalize on the biggest financial trends of 2025. AI tools like Atom Finance and Sigma use predictive analytics to identify market opportunities before they trend. Imagine knowing which stocks or sectors are about to boom before everyone else does. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by data. These tools don't just tell you what to invest in, they explain why, giving you confidence in your decisions. They're perfect for both beginner and seasoned investors looking to stay ahead of the curve. Feeling inspired? Let's pivot to how AI can optimize your day-to-day work life. Tools like Notion AI and Trello integrate AI to streamline task management and productivity. They can prioritize your to-do list, remind you of deadlines, and even draft emails. By working smarter, not harder, you free up time to focus on money-making ventures. Imagine using AI to analyze your daily habits and suggest tweaks for maximum productivity. It's like having a personal productivity coach guiding you toward your goals. Speaking of ventures, AI is transforming entrepreneurship in exciting ways. Whether it's an e-commerce store using AI chatbots for customer service or a tech startup leveraging AI for innovation, the possibilities are endless. AI tools lower entry barriers, letting you scale faster and with less capital. Imagine running a business where half the operations are automated, more profit, less stress. Consider this. AI can handle everything from inventory management to customer interactions, freeing you to focus on growth strategies. The future of business is AI-driven, and those who adopt early will have a significant advantage. And finally, let's discuss the most exciting way AI can multiply your income. Why just use AI when you can create and sell it? Platforms like OpenAI and TensorFlow make it easier than ever to develop custom AI tools or apps. With businesses and individuals eager to adopt AI, the demand is sky high. Whether it's a simple chatbot or a complex analytics tool, the earning potential is limitless. Imagine earning recurring income from a tool you built once. AI development might sound intimidating, but with the right resources, it's more accessible than you think. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about building wealth, don't miss my next video, 10 Daily Habits That Will Make You Rich. Click the end screen to watch it now. Remember, in 2025, leveraging AI isn't optional, it's essential. Let's build that wealthy lifestyle together.